Today, we are diving into a tool that's making some pretty big waves, HeyGen AI. So, what's the big deal? Well, it promises to be your very own video studio, right inside your web browser. The claim is you can make professional-looking videos with nothing more than a text script. But does it actually live up to the hype? Let's find out.
You know that feeling, right? You've got a fantastic idea for a video, but then you start thinking about cameras, getting the lighting just right, the sound, and all that complicated editing software, and your motivation just disappears. What if you could skip all of that and still get a professional video?
Well, that's exactly the problem HeyGen is trying to solve. It's a platform that uses AI to take your text script and turn it into a video, complete with a realistic AI avatar speaking your words. The best part? No camera, no microphone, and absolutely zero editing skills required.
So how does this magic actually happen? You might think there's some super complicated process going on, but from the user's side, it's designed to be shockingly simple. We're talking about going from a simple idea to a finished video in just a few minutes.
It really just boils down to these 3 simple steps. First, you just write out your script or, copy and paste it in. Second, you get to pick an AI avatar from their library, or you can even make a custom one. And third, you just click Generate. That's it. The AI handles the rest.
And when you look under the hood, the platform is actually packed with some really powerful features. You've got over 100 stock avatars to choose from, but what's really cool is that you can create an avatar from your own photo. The voice cloning is also a game changer. It takes a short clip of your voice and creates a digital version that can say anything you type. Plus, with support for over 40 languages, you can make content for a global audience pretty easily. Throw in some ready-made templates and branding tools, and you've got a system that's built for creating consistent content fast.
Okay, but let's be real for a second. No tool is perfect, especially in the world of AI where things are changing every single day. So let's get into the honest truth about HeyGen, the good and, well, the not so good.
On the pro side, it is incredibly easy to use, and the speed is just remarkable. It's a fantastic choice for multilingual content, social media, and marketing videos. But there are trade-offs. The customization can feel a little limited sometimes, and the free plan slaps a watermark on your videos. The source material also points out that while it supports a ton of languages, the voice quality for some, like Hindi, can be a bit hit or miss. And this is a big one. It's not made for complex cinematic editing. It's built for creating quick, clean, professional-looking content.
And I really want to double down on this point. You can get a basic video done in under a minute. Just think about that. Think about how much time that saves compared to setting up a camera, recording takes, and then editing it all together. For any busy creator or marketer, that speed is a huge, huge advantage.
So, with all of those strengths and weaknesses in mind, who is this tool really for? Who's the perfect user? Let's take a look at where HeyGen really shines in the real world.
This is perfect for marketers who need to churn out quick ads, or content creators making reels and shorts. Educators and trainers can also get a ton of value here, but it's also a fantastic fit for small brands. For example, our source mentioned a brand called Laksa that used HeyGen to create a consistent AI expert for all their videos. This is genius because it builds brand recognition without having to hire an actor for every single video. Basically, if you need consistent content without breaking the bank, this is a really strong option.
All right, let's talk about the cost. There's a free plan, which is great for just trying it out. But remember, it comes with that watermark, and you get very limited minutes. To really use this professionally, you'll probably need to jump up to the creator plan. That's going to run you around $24 to $30 a month, and it gets you full HD videos with no watermark. For bigger teams, there's also a custom enterprise plan.
So what's the best way to approach this? Honestly, the source material gives some great advice here. Just start with the free plan. It's a totally no-risk way to see if it works for you. Play around with it, see if the quality is what you need, and then only upgrade if and when you're ready.
Okay, we've covered how it works, the features, the pros and cons, and who it's really built for. So let's bring it all home and give our final verdict.
So here's the bottom line. HeyGen is a seriously useful tool. As long as you know what it's for, it saves an unbelievable amount of time, it delivers good, professional quality videos that are perfect for social media or corporate stuff, and it makes it super easy to create consistent, on-brand content at scale.
As these AI tools get smarter and easier to use, they are totally changing the game for anyone who makes content. So I'll leave you with a question to chew on. Is it possible that AI will be your next video director?